What's going on, guys? CryptoCam here, coming at you with a brand new video today. So this video is just going to be a quick little update about Genesis mining, how all the contracts profitability is looking, and when the Bitcoin mining contracts are going to be coming back. So as you can see right here, I'm on my dashboard, and the only three cryptocurrencies that you can mine at the moment are Zcash, Ethereum, and Monero. And of course, all these are 2 years. You got a maximum of 10,000 hashes on the Zcash mining contract, equal to $17,600. 500 mega hashes on the Ethereum contract, equal to $14,000, and 10,000 hashes on the Monero contract, which is equal to $8,000. So a lot of you guys are wondering where the Bitcoin contracts are, and I am too myself. I really want to buy some Bitcoin mining power and get my contract power up to like 10 terahashes or so. I'm only at like a couple terahashes right now, not much at all. But if you go over to Genesis Mining's Twitter right now, you can just scroll down here, and they said like right here, the Bitcoin contracts will come back in the next weeks. We will announce the exact date ASAP, as soon as possible. Hashtag Bitcoin, hashtag blockchain. Almost 700 likes. I mean, that just shows that the community is waiting for these Bitcoin contracts to come back because they're that profitable and they have amazing payouts. I mean, the Bitcoin contract breaks even in around 180 to 200 days. That's really good. And as you can see, that was on the 11th. And as you can see, the current time in this video is September 28th, 2017. So they said this just over 2 weeks ago. So they said weeks as in plural. So maybe we can see it next week or the week after. Hoping next week, because I just really want to buy some and get some mining power before it gets sold out. And if you guys want to follow their Twitter, link will be in the description, and I would appreciate it if you would give me a follow as well on there. So with all the maximum amount of hash power that you can buy for all these contracts, I already have all the profitability calculated in all these calculators right here. And if you guys don't know how to calculate Bitcoin mining profitability or any other cryptocurrencies mining profitability, I made a video on that, and that will be popping up in the corner if you guys want to check it out, how to calculate profitability. So the first one I'm going to check out is, of course, Bitcoin. Already have it in. The maximum is 200,000 hashes. Change power to 0. Power cost is 0. Pool fees are 28%. This is the only contract that has a pool fee. It's around a 20 to 28% pool fee, so keep that in mind. And hardware cost was originally $26,000, but if you use the 3% off discount code, you will get $760 off. So feel free to use mine in the description or in the comments if you want. I would appreciate that a lot. So I pressed calculate, and that came out to break even in 180 days. That's very good. Coming in at $5.82 hourly, $140 daily, $978 weekly, $4,200 monthly, and $51,000 annually. So you're expected to make your money back in less than half a year. So it's very good. I mean, this is a lifetime contract as well, meaning the contract will keep mining if Bitcoin is profitable. And assuming Bitcoin has gone up over 300% this year, I mean, that just says that Bitcoin has a bright future and will basically always be profitable to mine. Next thing we have is Zcash, and as you can see, we have 10,000 hashes right here. 10,000 hashes, max $17,600. Set power to 0. Power cost 0. There's no pool fees on the Zcash contract, and the original cost was $17,600, and the 3% off discount code gets you $528 off of that price. So press calculate, and you're expected to break even in 374 days, and you will be making $2 hourly, $45 daily, $320 weekly, $1,400 monthly, and $16,500 annually. So this one will take a little over a year to break even, but then again, if the coin goes up really high in large percentage increases, that can decrease that difficulty drastically, giving you better payouts, which will lessen the days needed to break even. So keep that in mind. When the value of a coin goes up, the mining difficulty of the coin decreases. Next up, Ethereum, and the maximum amount of hashes that you can buy is 500. Power 0, power 0. No pool fees on the Ethereum contract, and the original contract was $14,000. You get $420 off. Press calculate, and you're expected to break in 587 days. Expected to make $1 per hour, $23 daily, $160 weekly, $700 monthly, and $8,500 yearly. So this one will be breaking even in just under 2 years. It is a 2-year contract, so you should be making money because Ethereum should be up really high in the next 2 years. So of course, difficulty of the coin will decrease, so keep that in mind as well. And finally, we have Monero, and the maximum amount of hashes that you can buy is 10,000. Set power to 0. Power cost 0. There's no pool fees. Like I said earlier, the only contract that has maintenance fees is the Bitcoin mining contract. And then the original price was $8,000, and then you get off $340, so keep that in mind. If you use the 3% off discount code, you get $330 off. Press calculate. You're expected to break even in 450 days. Expected to make 72 cents hourly, $17.29 daily, $120 weekly, $520 monthly, and $6,300 annually. So like the Ethereum contract, you're expected to break even in just under 2 years. It's also a 2-year contract, and it depends on if the coin goes up in the future, which obviously it will. I mean, Monero has a bright future in front of itself, and the difficulty is bound to decrease, therefore making the days to break even lower, and your daily payouts will be bigger. And And now I'm going to go take a look at these 4 cryptocurrencies charts on TradingView. So right now we see Bitcoin sitting at $4,181. It recently has made a big move in the market, going up from around 3,900 up to the 4,200 range. It's been stable in that range, and sometime in the near future we could see a bullish run activate and reach the all-time high of 5,000 and contest it and go for even more all-time highs. And now on a Zcash. Zcash had an incredible run. It had over a 45% increase in just a few days. I mean, that's crazy. I mean, you could have bought it right here just 6 days ago at 4.8 million Satoshis, and you could have sold right here at 10 million Satoshis, so a 6 million Satoshi gain. That's just crazy. So I'll definitely be keeping an eye on Zcash. Recommend you guys should as well. Great coin, great vision behind it, and I expect it to pull down to one of these ranges right here, just because I think it's just too big of a bull run and it needs some form of natural pullback. And Ethereum, of course, a lot of talk in the community about this, and we see its wedge forming, of course, just been up and down, up and down. We see it tightening up over here. The Bollinger Bands are getting skinnier, and the coin has just crossed the 200 moving day average, so that could mean a sign of bearish movement, but you never know. I think the coin will go something like this, and then we could see it go all the way up and contest some all-time highs up there. And then we have Monero, of course. I mean, Monero is looking pretty good, but we can see that's riding the 50-day average right here. If we go past this 50-day average, that could result in some fear in the market. We can see some major sell-offs all the way down to this range over here. We had a huge bullish run. We need some form of pullback or consolidation to go back up to these all-time highs. So I'll be looking at all these coins, especially Ethereum, Zcash, and Monero. I will be making some future investments into these. I think they're great coins and they have a great future. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed, please be sure to leave a like, subscribe, leave any tips down below. Hope you guys have a nice day. It's been CryptoCam. Peace out.